Let's brew another batch.
You hag! There are not enough children in the world to make thee young and beautiful.
Uh-oh. Sisters, did you hear what he called you? Whatever shall we do with him?
Let's barbecue and fillet him.
Hang him on a hook and let me play with him.
No!
Book, darling, come to mommy. Yes, his punishment must be more fulsome, more lingering. Dazzle me, my darling. Let's see, amnesia, bunions, children's cholera. We can do better than that, I think. Let's see what we have.
Perfect. As usual.
His punishment shall not be to die, but to live forever with his guilt.
As rightfully as right.
Jump back. Twist the bones and then the back.
Trim him of his baby.
Give him fur black as black, just like this.